Data scientist job interview, first impressions. Characters. Interviewer, Mr. Harrison, senior data manager, professional, direct, and observant. Candidate, Elena, data scientist candidate, confident, analytical, and articulate.
Good morning. You must be Elena. Please, come in and have a seat.
Good morning, Mr. Harrison. Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
The pleasure is mine. Did you have any trouble finding our office?
Not at all. The directions provided by your coordinator were very clear.
Great. Well, I've been looking over your resume, and it's quite impressive.
I appreciate that. I've put a lot of work into building a diverse skill set.
It shows. To get us started, why don't you tell me a bit about your professional journey?
Certainly. I started my career in traditional statistics, but I quickly realized my passion lay in predictive modeling.
What sparked that transition for you?
I was fascinated by how raw data could be transformed into actionable insights that actually move the needle for a business.
That's a great way to put it. You spent 3 years at your last firm, correct?
Yes, that's right. I served as a junior data scientist there.
What was your primary focus during that time?
I spent a lot of time building churn prediction models and optimizing our customer segmentation.
Interesting. What would you say was your biggest win in that role?
I developed an automated pipeline that reduced data processing time by 40%.
A 40% reduction is significant. How did that impact the team?
It allowed our analysts to focus on strategy rather than just cleaning data.
That sounds like a very data scientist approach to a problem.
I believe efficiency is just as important as accuracy.
I couldn't agree more. Now, why our company specifically?
I've been following your recent moves in the logistics sector, especially your push toward AI-driven routing.
We are definitely making a big bet on that technology right now.
It's a massive challenge, and I want to be part of the team that solves it.
What specific value do you think you can bring to our current team?
Beyond my technical skills in Python and SQL, I bring a very disciplined approach to experimental design.
Tell me more about that.
I don't just run models, I make sure we are asking the right questions before we even start.
That's a common pitfall in this industry, jumping into the code too fast.
Exactly. If the foundation isn't solid, the results won't be reliable.
You also mentioned experience with social media strategy in your bio. How does that translate to data science?
It taught me how to visualize data for an audience that isn't necessarily math-heavy.
Visualization is key. Our executives love a good dashboard.
I enjoy the challenge of making complex trends look simple and intuitive.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I hope to be leading a team of scientists, perhaps focusing on ethical AI implementation.
Ethical AI is becoming a major talking point for us.
It's vital. We have to ensure our algorithms are fair and transparent.
I like your perspective. You seem very grounded.
Thank you. I try to balance technical rigor with practical business needs.
What's one thing about your background that isn't on your resume?
I actually enjoy teaching. I've mentored several interns on how to use version control systems.
That's a huge plus. We value mentorship here at the studio.
I find that teaching a concept helps me understand it even more deeply.
Very true. Now, what are you looking for in terms of company culture?
A place that encourages curiosity and doesn't punish smart failures.
We definitely encourage experimentation here.
That's exactly the kind of environment where I thrive.
Well, Elena, this has been a great start to our conversation.
I've enjoyed it as well. I'm looking forward to diving deeper into the technical side.
Perfect. Let's move on to some specific projects you've worked on.
I'm ready when you are.
See you in the next English conversation session by Wisdom Studio 8.